guys, today I'm going to show you how to trim a magnet off of your lashes if you feel like they're too long. And a way to know that they're too long is they're irritating your eyes, or like they're poking, or one of the ends keeps lifting up, and sometimes you just have to trim a magnet off. You're always going to trim the magnet off of not the inner corner, but the outer corner. So let me put these on here and let me show you. So you're never gonna trim on the short side, you're always gonna trim on this side. And then I actually like to leave that extra magnet in my box, and you can add it on the end to give you a little more flair. So what you're gonna need is a little pair of scissors, sewing scissors or whatever, and you're gonna come in and you're literally going to take this last magnet and you're gonna cut it right up to the next magnet. So I like to come in backwards, like I don't like to go towards the lashes because I don't want to cut any of the other lashes, and they may stick to your scissors. And I just make a little snip, and that's what I have left over. You see it? And I'm going to store that in my box. And this is what is left. And then you are going to have to, it's not going to stick on the magnet on your box anymore, but you can flip this over, and these magnets are movable back here. So you're just gonna move them over a little bit, and then it sticks. So then it can be stored properly. So this one I have not trimmed yet, and this one really is not even bothering me that much, but this one was really bothering me. So now I'm gonna come in. I might have to reapply more liner. And that just fits and feels so much better. And then too, for an extra little flare, I can take this piece that I took off and put it right on the end. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please let me know.